let me just go, ma'am, just a minute. Let me go to someone who's had the practical experience at the moment, because the problem exists at the moment. T.S. Singhdeo, the charge which the government, both through Dr. Paul in his statement today and to some extent Mr. Trivedi, is that, look, this is what the states wanted. You wanted to have the authority to put out global tenders for vaccines. That hasn't worked. You're now blaming the center, is accusation number one. How do you respond that today the states themselves find that they can't procure vaccines after wanting to do so only a month ago?
Good evening, Rajdeep ji, and good evening to all our fellow panelists. What I can say is that would Mr. Paul be able to give an instance, a single instance, where Chhattisgarh has said that we would like to procure vaccines on our by ourselves? One instance where we have said that we would like to do the procurement. I, for one, have constantly maintained that it is the government of India alone who should be purchasing the vaccines, because this issue came up not today. It came up before the vaccination program started on the 2nd of January 2021. So even at that point in time,
now, are you telling me, Mr. Singhdeo, that every state of this country would prefer the center to procure the vaccines? Because a number of states, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Delhi, have already gone in for global tenders which have not worked. Are you all very clear now that as of today, you only want the center to procure all vaccines for you?
Certainly, not only today, from day one. Like I was trying to say, before the vaccination program started on the 2nd of January, was announced on the 2nd of January, I had always maintained that there would be a mad rush amongst the state. There would be unhealthy competition. Wherever the factories would be placed, those states would try to pressurize those factories to give them more. Those states would, which would have a bigger buying capacity, would pressurize the companies or give more money to the companies, and the smaller states would suffer. This is a national program in a national pandemic which should have been run and which should run even today from one point, purchase-wise, and that is the government of India.
Sir, but Mr. Singhdeo, with due regard, look at the trust deficit. The latest trust deficit is on vaccine wastage. Yesterday, the government has put out a document saying that Chhattisgarh, your state, along with Jharkhand, are the worst offenders in this regard. That 30% of the vaccines provided to Chhattisgarh are being wasted. You are claiming that that is false data. Now, even on basic data, the center and the states can't agree. There's such a trust deficit. Every day it appears opposition-ruled states are taking on the center and vice versa. How do you have a national policy then with this trust deficit on issues like wastage?
If there is trust deficit, does it mean that we stop vaccination? If I don't agree with the government of India, is that the end of the vaccination program for the country? Are we so immature? I don't think this country is so immature, or its leaders should be so immature, sometimes they appear to be, that they cannot sort this out.
No, are you telling us that the vaccine wastage data is false? That Chhattisgarh is 30, it's false to say Chhattisgarh is wasting 30% of its vaccines?
Is it possible, Rajdeep ji, you are such a senior journalist and a media person, is it possible, is it at all possible for anybody to waste 30% of its vaccines?
This was officially put out, sir, by the Health Ministry. This was officially put out by the Health Ministry.
Rajdeep ji, by the same token, on the same day, the Health Ministry, that the government of India also put out the figures that Chhattisgarh has vaccinated amongst the highest in the country. The same government servant who was putting out this vaccination wastage data also projected graphs in which they said that the government of Chhattisgarh has vaccinated 67 lakh people out of the doses that we have got, and 10 lakh vaccines we have in store with us. So which is the data they are talking about? The vaccination also through the COVID program or the COVID app, it gives you a register certificate with the photograph of the Prime Minister. So all those photographs of the Prime Minister which were given on Aadhaar based verification, is that false? Or is this data which has been projected later by the government of India? is this incorrect?
you know,
It is
therefore-
a very simple matter. It
You
is
know,
a very simple matter
It
which
is a
should be
simple
looked at.
matter, but it reflects the trust deficit. I want to bring in Dr. Laharia because you wrote a recent article and you've been tracking this.